Okay, good morning YouTube. We are going to go a different way today. This is going to be the main street of Portola Country Club, and we're starting down here at the corner of Quicksilver and Sutter Mills Road. So here we go. Hope everybody's doing fine this morning. This one here, the guy spent a lot of time on this, I remember. He done about a year ago, I think. Yeah, there's a lot going on with this guy. This one here looks pretty nice here. Got a hedge. I don't really think this bench is made to sit on. More decorative, I think, than anything else. Oh, and there we go. There's another one. There's a lot going on here. Look out for the centipede over there. That's supposed to be a centipede or a millipede. Probably a millipede. I think millipedes have more legs than a centipede. This leads to one of the golf holes, right here in the back, going that way. Big corner lot here, as you can see. Big corner lot. Some of this you might have seen in one of the other videos if you've been watching. As we came up this one road and made a turn and went down to one of the other roads. I think this is the guy that had a big tree in the front and they cut it all down. And I had remarked about this tree before. Yep. And I had remarked about this tree. Another big corner lot here. And I think we went down that way. And there's stalkers there. Nope, I didn't go down to the main. Okay. I think we commented on this tree before. But we're going to go down to the gate, where the gate's at. And there's another one here. We've been down this one before. We've been down this street here before. Might have touched on this one. So Portola Country Club doesn't have a man at the gate. I think we've been down this road too. Right there. So that saved us some money on it. We'll go across here. Another nice bush there. Come over here. Show the other gate. And I showed you back in there before. So we're same street, but we're on the other side of the street. Oh, here we go. Nope, we're on the same street, just the other side. A lot more action on this side, on this street, than the other one's obviously. Yeah, but we did these. Yeah. So we're going to take it down to the end, and that's where the country club is. I think I can show the pool. Okay, so we've been by here. We saw, remember where this was, in case you missed it. Here's a for sale and phone number. Okay. We're almost to the end. Okay, that street down there. You saw that one. So we'll go straight down there. I think we can get it from the top part. Where the, I don't have my key on me though. Where the pool is. Okay, here's this. You can see a golfer way down there. One of the holes here. Yeah, and then I'm walking slow and she's walking faster. She's ahead of me down there. See? See the guy way down there, I think. See him down there? Okay. Well, we'll go up. And I guess we can't get to there from here, huh? Alright, well. We'll go up the steps here. Well, they don't go anywhere. Let's go over this way and see if we can go to one of the pools that are here. Yeah, like I said, I don't have my key. I've never even been in this pool. It's closed. You can see they have stuff over here. And I'll tell you why here in a minute. Let's see if we can go to this other section here. Okay, and here's another view of our little area here. Okay. Yep, so we're coming down here. And here's our board. Like any other board, I guess, that you see around here. You could pause it if you want and look at it. We'll walk over here. Show you a little bit here. Another one of the boards. Okay. Here's the lounge. Here's another 4th of July one. Over here. Sidewalk cafe. Yep, here's the starter section here. You can go ahead and pause that if you want. Men's restroom. That's where the first hole is, first tee. So we'll go up here and look at this. Yeah, that's the first tee. I think I've showed this park before, but it's always pretty nice. Approved golf play only, pedestrian traffic prohibited. Okay, so we'll go down this way. Guys, doing his blower there. And just another area here. This guy's got a lot on his. Yeah, this is about the biggest one I've seen. Yeah, this is about the biggest one I've seen. Okay, well, I think we'll go ahead and stop it here. Let me know if you enjoyed the little tour. I was going to take you into the clubhouse, but the clubhouse is closed for repairs. They said it's for asbestos abatement, or is it asbestos removal? So we can't go up there. So I just thought that I'd let you guys know that. So next time, don't know where we're going to go. There's still some streets we haven't been down on yet. So we'll go ahead and do that, and I'll map it out for us. So let me know if you liked the video or you didn't like it. Any criticism is appreciated. And we'll go ahead and sign off here. Thank you.